Hello students, today we will talk about linear differential equations, which is our unit 3. Question is, solve 3 dy by dx plus 2 upon x plus 1 into y is equal to x cube upon y square. This is our question. So in solution, the given differential equation is Bernoulli equation. On multiplying by y square in both sides, this is Bernoulli equation. It is the form of Bernoulli equation. Now if we multiply it by y square in both the sides, then it will be 3y square dy by dx plus 2 upon x plus 1 into y cube. Y square into y is y cube is equal to x cube, because this y square is when multiplied in RHS, then y square of denominator will be cancelled. Now on putting v is equal to y cube, or we can say y cube is equal to v. So it will be 3y square dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. It is in this form. 3y square dy by dx. If we differentiate y cube with respect to x, then it will be 3y square, and differentiation of y with respect to x is dy by dx is equal to differentiation of v is dv by dx. So now we may write 3y square dy by dx, this part, 3y square dy by dx, we can write dv by dx. So it will be dv by dx plus 2 upon x plus 1, and y cube is v, so it will be v is equal to x cube. Now it is linear differential equation, of course, which we know from class 12th only. So which is linear differential equation. So on comparing with dv by dx plus pv is equal to q. So p is equal to 2 upon x plus 1. In place of p, here it is 2 upon x plus 1, and in place of q, here it is x cube. So these are the values of p and q. Now we can find out integrating factor. So integrating factor is e raised to the power integration p with respect to x, which is equal to e raised to the power integration 2 upon x plus 1 with respect to x. So it will be e raised to the power 2 is taken common, and 1 upon x integration will be log x. So 2 log x plus 1. Now if we want to solve it, then it will be in the form of e raised to the power log x plus 1 whole square. Here base e, which is understood. So e raised to the power log of something, then this complete will be eliminated. The part is x plus 1 whole square. Now we may write the solution v into integrating factor is equal to integrating factor into q with respect to x plus c. This is the formula for solving the linear differential equation. So v is v only, which you can write value of v now here. Value of v is y cube that we have assigned in starting, and integrating factor that is x plus 1 whole square is equal to x plus 1 whole square into integrating factor is x plus 1 whole square, and value of q is x cube. So x cube is multiplied with this with respect to x plus c. Now we have to solve this completely. So it will be equal to y cube into x plus 1 whole square is equal to integration x square plus 2x plus 1 into x cube plus c. So y cube x plus 1 whole square is equal to x raised to the power 5 plus 2x raised to the power 4 plus x cube, and here we have to integrate it with respect to x also. This complete should be integrated with respect to x plus constant. So it will be y cube x plus 1 whole square is equal to x raised to the power 6 plus 2x raised to the power 5 upon 5 plus x raised to the power 4 upon 4 plus c. This is our required answer. So in this way we can solve the Bernoulli equation by taking it in linear equation form in this manner. It is over now.